What's up guys, so today I will be making a really cute Christmas inspired deco mesh wreath. I'm going to go with the classic red and green. So I have the long 21-inch deco mesh in red, green, also this red and silver stripe color. I also have red and green glitter ribbon, red and green chenille stems, red and green glitter ornaments, also red, green, and red and white striped deco mesh. And you will also need a work wreath. This one is 16 inches and it already has the chenille stems attached. You could definitely use a bare work wreath and attach your own chenille stem. I'll put a link in the description box to a video showing you how to apply your own chenille stems to a blank wreath ring if you'd like, if you're interested in that. Or also scissors, rotary cutter, floral wire possibly, and wire cutters. So again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of this. I just want to have it all on hand so I can kind of see as we go along and decide what exactly I would like to use. Alright, we are going to get started. So I'm going to get started with the red and green 21-inch deco mesh. I'm actually going to double layer them. You can use just one color if you'd like, but I think I'm just going to use both of them. I think that'll look really cute and sweet. So what I'm doing, I'm just layering them on top of each other like this, and I'm gonna curl it in just like this, and just pick a random spot, place the deco mesh and twist it 2 times just like that. You can just cut off the excess, but it's gonna be hidden, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Alright, so that's just the first one. And what I'm going to do is work my way all the way around the outer ring and then come back around to the inner ring. Fold it like this. Make a nice poof right here at the next chenille stem. And twist it 2 times. And I'm just gonna see, it's a nice pretty poof, and I'm just gonna do that one more time, and I'm just gonna do that again. Just making sure I keep it like this. Make a nice poof. And place it down just like that. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do this all the way around. Alright, so I have all of my poofs on the outer ring. Now what you can do is connect it to where you first started and then cut it and start over in the middle, or once you connect it, here, let's make this last poof. And I'm going to unravel that first one. And then twist it back. Okay, so once you have all of your poofs, you could definitely cut it here and start over, or just pull the deco mesh, make another poof, and then take it to the next inner chenille stem. So let me show you. So I'm all done with the outer ring. I'm making my poof. Nice big poof. Come over to the next chenille stem and place it down. And twist it a couple of times. Just like that. And then you just continue going around the ring just like you did on the outer ring. Twisting the last stem, and you're just going to cut. And again, the end gets hidden, so I don't really care to kind of hide it much, because it won't be that big of a deal. Alright, so we have the entire ring complete. Next thing I'm going to do is take the shorter deco mesh, I believe it's the 6-inch width deco mesh, and I'm going to cut it into 8-inch long pieces. Alright, so then I'm going to take my shorter deco mesh, and I believe it's 5.5 or 6 inches in width, and I'm cutting 8-inch long pieces. So I have red, white, red and white stripe, and green. So what I'm going to do is just roll all of these colors. I like to make mine long and pointy, but you can also roll it like this. I like to mix it up actually, just like that. Okay, so you just find the chenille stem, untwist it, place your deco mesh, and then twist it right back a couple of times, and then you can adjust it, play around with it so it looks like that. Really cute. You take it, go around to the next chenille stem, untwist it, place it down exactly the way you want it. Okay, so I'm going to do a few more and let you guys see what it's looking like. Place all of the bundles of deco mesh on each chenille stem, and it looks so pretty, full and fluffy. So what I'm going to do is take 2 of the chenille stems, pick a random section, place them down, and twist the section back. So I have the chenille stems just like this. I'm going to take scissors, a pencil, anything you can use to roll the chenille stems, and I'm just going to give it a nice cute curl. Just like that. Just like that. Really cute. Just adds a little extra dimension to the wreath. And of course, like I said, I'm going to tuck the chenille stems because I don't want those to show. That way I just have these showing. Just like that. So I'm going to do this a couple of times. As you can see. I'm going to do this a couple of times randomly throughout the wreath. And then I'm going to add my glitter ornaments randomly throughout. Just like that. And I'm not picking any specific place. I'm just going to place them. I'm going to get all of the chenille stems in place, and then I'm going to show you how I secure the ornaments. Two openings on the bottom, the fold on the top, and cut a diagonal. Just like that. Do the same to the other end. So 2 pieces of the glitter shimmer ribbon in 6 inches. I ribbon cut the ends. Now I'm just going to scrunch it. Try to estimate the center. And I'm just going to place it wherever I don't have a chenille stem already. And then tuck away the chenille stem. Just like that. That is what it's looking like. Again, you don't have to do this part. It's completely up to you, but I think it just adds a little extra sweetness. Alright, so I have the chenille stems and the ribbon all in place. So I have some sections that I've placed ribbon, and other sections where I've placed the chenille stems, and I've just like randomly placed it all around the ring. And it looks so cute. Last thing I'm going to add are the ornaments. Take the cute ornament, use some floral wire. You can also use chenille stem, actually. Threaded it through the floral wire, as you can see. I'm just going to twist it a couple of times. And then I'm going to pick a random place on my ring to place this bulb. Maybe right here. And then I'm just going to find my way all the way down to the ring, and I'm going to tie the floral wire around the ring. And I'm just going to twist it around the back of the ring. And then I can cut off any excess. So there we go. Just twisting it a couple of times. And I'm going to cut the excess. There we go. So cute. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of the other ornaments placed before I start attaching them. So I can make sure I have them exactly where I would like them. So of course red here. I'll put a green over there. Get a red here. Green. And one more red. So I just alternated red, green all the way around the wreath. And I'm going to get those all secured with the floral wire. So this is what the finished product looks like. It's so poofy and so cute and festive, and it's just glittery.